If you're interested in grading your cards, you can contact me at Kiel Santos or scan the QR above. We grade PSA, PGS, and TAG. So thank you guys for your support. Back to the video guys! So may package na naman tayong dumating guys. So this is another PSA return and it is batch 50. So yeah. Ano ba hinanap ko? I'm looking for my scissor. Oh, wala. Anyways, batch 50 na to guys. And I have some cards here. Tagal umuwi, no? Ilang weeks din bago nakauwi. Let's start with this guys. Bam! Bam! Magaganda yata yung grade guys. First of all, King Luffy PSA 10. Then Zekrom Q rin pala PSA 7. Port Gas D Ace PSA 10. Luffy PSA 10. Another Luffy PSA 10. Another Luffy PSA 10. Then Mega Lachas PSA 10 ba? Magaganda yung grade ah. Manga Ace PSA 10. Imu PSA 10. Luffy PSA 10. Giratina PSA 8. Then this is mine. This one is a pull last birthday ko pero PSA 9 lang siya. Sayang hindi siya nag-10. Wisit. AA Ota. Anyways, okay na yun guys. Then Dragonite PSA 10. 9 pala. Mihawk PSA 10. Sabrina's Gengar PSA 8. Nami PSA 10. Luffy PSA 10. Then this one PSA 10. What do you call this? Rorikishio promo PSA 3. So, saan ito? Dito yan. Zek ay Reshiram PSA na 8. Saan to? Dito yan. Gengar PSA 10. Mega Venusaur PSA 10. Nami PSA 10. Greninja PSA 10. Mega Venusaur PSA 9. Psyduck PSA 9. And Lucario PSA na 10. Hindi ko alam kanina. Miraidon PSA 8, 9. And this one na guys, big hitters guys. PSA 10 Mega Gengar, PSA 2 Plasma Storm, PSA 8 and a PSA 9 Green Ninja. So sa akin yun guys. So that's it guys for this batch. Medyo madami tayong pipicturean, and if you are interested in grading your cards, mga bago natin mga ano dyan, nagbe-grade tayo pero wala na tayong value plus. Puro regular, express at saka super express for PSA. But sa BGS we still have standard and base. So I hope you enjoyed my video. Click the notification bell to keep you updated, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.